Once upon a time, in Imphale's moonlit breath, Thoibì was a girl of silk and beauty. Nong Kham, the shy boy, destinies entwined. She was the first to teach him how love can burn. Thoibì, oh Thoibì, my dawn of silk and fire, your gaze a lotus blooming in quantum desire. Locked axe waters whispered our hidden skies. Ancient auroras danced inside your eyes. Nong Kham, the silence became my breath. Through your stillness I transcended death. Among billions you engraved my name. Beyond kingdoms, beyond power, beyond fame. Oh, my Thoibì, Thoibì, heartbeat through temples of memory. Your soul aligns, like thunder and prayer combined. Your love rewrote the fate of time. Carved in stone, the beauty of my mind, where my soul has grown. The lake remembered the vows we made. Your touch, an empire that will never fade. Remembers the sky shine through. My Thoibì, my flame, my destiny song. With you beside me, eternity's not long. Thoibì, oh my Thoibì, on locked axe mirror our spirits remain. But why did you leave me, Thoibì? Is your feeling expired? Did memory collapse, or were all my dates erased? I drown inside my mind, chasing you. On Loktak's mirror, our spirits remain. But why did you leave me, Thoibi? Is your feeling expired? Did memory collapse, or were all my dates erased? I drown inside my mind, chasing